Okay, so I was about to do a voiceover speed through type of video, but I decided, you know what, let's just talk to the people. I look crazy right now in the hair. Luckily I painted my face, so I'm looking a little bit better, but I want to look great. So I'm going to go ahead and install a wig to wear today, and this one comes courtesy of OMGqueen. And when you open the box, this is one that I just received in the mail today, and I seen the color and I said, yes, this is what we want to wear today. We want to give color, we want to give sassiness, and I'm making a mess. In the box you do get some goodies. This is one of those, I believe it's like a wig grip, and then you also receive your wig caps as well as an adjustable elastic band, and then this here is the wig itself. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, this is her here. Usually when I show you the wig like straight out of the package, I've probably already unboxed it and it's been back in the box and all this, but this time this one is literally out of the package. As you guys can see, we're going blonde. We're going for a blonde bob, and it's going to be super cute, especially with the vibe in my new necklace I have on today. It is, I believe, 10 inches in length and 180% density, and you can find a direct link and all the extra details in the description box. She comes set as a center part, and as you guys can see, it's a little bit more blonde, closer to a 613 at the very front, and it's giving kind of like honey blonde, honey brown all the way around. Yes, baby girl. Okay, so here's a look at the inside construction of the cap. You guys can see she's a frontal wig, and you have the ear to ear to get your baby hair, your sideburns, yeah, that's how you say it. And then in the back I went ahead and adjusted the straps a little bit so that it goes a little bit more snug, and yeah. Okay, so she's giving rich auntie vibes. She's giving like I drive a Rolls Royce. I have an 800 credit score. She flies private only. Okay, so straight off the bat, you see I went ahead and cut off a little of the excess lace. I didn't want to quite cut it all off yet, but because there's a lot of excess lace, I like to cut off what's going to cover my brows. This is what the lace looks like. Now the cap I already have on is obviously too light for me, way too light for me, and it really shows with the way this lace is set up. So I can push it back and pull it forward, but you can still see it there, and that's probably going to bug me. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the cap. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the cap, pull the hair back, cut off the excess lace, and install. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll figure out what our next step will be. Okay, so I went ahead and switched the cap, and it made a huge difference. As you guys see, you can't really detect where it is, so that is why it is important to wear a cap that is your complexion. Okay, so this is what it looks like blonded down. You guys see I kind of like tease it in there because I kind of like the root to look a little bit feathery and almost even a little bit coarse to kind of like maybe look like what my hair would look like if it were dyed blonde, so it doesn't look too wiggy, if that makes any sense. Looks right on track to what I wanted to, so I'm happy it worked out. I'm gonna do this last side over here and then I'll be right back. Also, when you have a wig that's a different color than your complexion, especially like blonde and your hair is black, make sure you keep the ear tabs because you don't want like a blonde wig and then like it stops here and you can see your dark sideburns. You want it to kind of cover, and that's going to give you a more realistic and unclockable look. Okay, so the install process is complete. Just wanted to show you really quickly what it looks like. Like I said, you guys know how it looks when you bleach your real hair, and I think I did a decent job with my install. Not sure if I really want to do baby hair or not. Not really sure if I want to cut it or not. I think I'm going to go ahead and clean up the parting, add a little concealer and powder, and then just do a blunt bob, no baby hair, just a little sideburn, and then maybe we'll just do a little like bump, make it straight but bump it, you know what I mean? Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, baby.
Let's do it, baby.
Let's do it, Gail.
Let's do it, Gail.
Let's go ahead and do some concealer in the parting so that you can kind of see the parting, because you can't really see where it's at right now. Okay, this is the finished result. Imagine blonde being this simple and easy to install. I'm actually impressed with myself. I did not go in and add any baby hair. I kind of just felt like this one really didn't need it, and it was just kind of bring it down a notch. Now normally I would, I ain't gonna lie, but so I just kind of felt like giving like classy vibes, and I just didn't feel like the baby hair would be necessary. Also, you guys can see when I blow dried, it kind of naturally did this here, and I kind of just didn't disturb it just because you want to make sure you cover all the black sideburns. Yes, baby. And it's literally like the perfect length. So let me know what you guys think of this one. I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures in this cutie right here while I still have a little natural sunlight. And yeah, don't forget to check out OMGqueen. You guys know I got this wig from this company here, and of course it's linked in the description box. Stay tuned for more videos. Go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share with your friends and all that jazz. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram because I'm a little bit more social and live over there, and we can interact and comment and all that. I have my little one right here. Hey! Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang out with her. She's asking for water. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.